Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Welcome. In this video, we will go through the essential steps to make your YouTube channel public and ready for viewers. First, establish your channel with a memorable name and strong branding. Craft an engaging channel banner and a distinct profile picture that represents your content. Also, write a clear channel description, giving potential subscribers a good idea of what to expect. These initial steps are crucial for making a positive first impression and attracting your audience. Now let's get your content online. To upload your first video, simply click the Create button, usually found at the top right of your screen. From the menu, select Upload Video. Then, choose your video file from your device. It is important to add a descriptive title and a detailed video description. Also, include relevant tags. These are like keywords that help YouTube understand your content and show it to the right audience. Making your videos public is a straightforward but critical step. During the upload process, you will see a visibility option. Select Public to ensure your video is immediately available for everyone to view. If you have existing videos that are private or unlisted, you can change their visibility in YouTube Studio. Just go to your content section, click on the specific video, and then choose Public from the visibility drop-down menu. This ensures your hard work reaches a broad audience. Finally, let's optimize your channel for maximum discovery. Customize your channel layout to showcase your most popular or newest videos prominently. Always add relevant keywords and tags to each video. This significantly boosts searchability. Organize your content into engaging playlists, making it easier for viewers to binge watch. Lastly, share your public channel link widely across all your social media platforms and with friends. This helps drive initial traffic and grow your subscriber base.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.